This is a set of 6 ESD precision screwdrivers, tweezers and cutters. Screwdrivers are made from ESD plastic suitable for work with all electrostatically sensitive electronic components. Freely rotating cap and curved surface in the middle of each handle makes them very comfortable to use and, above all, very precise. Tips of each screwdriver are specially hardened, increasing the lifespan and corrosion protection. The set contains 3 slotted and 3 Phillips screwdrivers. Tweezers and cutters come secured by silicone cap and are also ESD safe. The set comes with a convenient holder that can be placed on a desk or attached to a wall. Browse through over hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME. You need it, we have it.